Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. You know, there's nothing like that simmered all day comfort food. So in today's video, I'm making my Cindy Certified Bolognese. I use it as a base for a lot of my other recipes, so I like to make a big batch. So kick back, relax, and enjoy while I make this Bolognese for you. We're going to start off this Bolognese by getting the meat brown, and that's going to be both the ground beef and the pork. That's looking pretty good, so I'm going to transfer the meat with a slotted spoon to a plate so I can drain off some of that fat. Transfer back just like a tablespoon or so I can saute my veggies. It's probably 2 tablespoons. That's finally chopped up 1 large onion and 2 carrots. Sauteed those down till they're soft. And now I'm going to add half a cup of red wine. I'm going to cook that until it evaporates. That's looking pretty good right there, so I'm going to add the meat back in. Give it a good stir. Turn the heat down just a little bit. Add in about a teaspoon of pepper. I like to add the salt a lot later because there's salt in the sausage. I'm going to start adding in my 2 cans of tomato sauce. Two cans of stewed tomatoes. A small can of tomato paste. And my mom has a huge giant bay leaf tree, so I get a good deal on bay leaves. Adding 2 of those guys in there. Give it a good stir. Add in the other 1/2 cup of red wine. At this point, I like to add my garlic. I like to squeeze it in fresh at this point. About 4 cloves. I have pretty good sized cloves here. Give it another good stir. And one thing I really like in my bolognese is fennel seeds. And so I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of fennel seeds. It's already smelling wonderful. So now that's all added in. It's going to simmer, a very slow, low bubble simmer for 3 hours. All right, everybody, we are back, and look at this sauce. You can see how much it has reduced in that 3 hours, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We can take these bay leaves out now. There's that other guy. I'll get him. That is the consistency you're looking for. Absolutely gorgeous, and it smells wonderful. So now I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add some salt. And it needs just a little bit of salt. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon. Stir that in. And the last thing I do is add just a little bit of milk. This acts almost like when you add butter to sauce. It just gives it that little bit of creaminess. Tones down the tomatoes a little bit. And there we have it. I'm going to put this over to the other burner and start my pasta. Our water is boiling. I'm going to add some salt to that. And today I chose an artisanal fettuccine. And we're going to let that boil for about 10 minutes. All right, everyone. We are waiting this pasta. It is done, and I'm going to take it off and drain it, and I'm going to make up a plate of this beautiful bolognese, and you're going to love it. So let's get going. Welcome back, everybody. This is long-awaited bolognese, and it looks so good. So good, in fact, I'm going to eat it. But I shaved some Parmesan because, in my opinion, there's nothing like these little shaved yummy pieces of Parmesan, even better than grated. And I'm going to take a big bite. Get some of that Parmesan and that lovely bolognese. It's so good. Oh my God. You guys have to try this. It's wonderful. Happy Bolognese. So rich, so flavorful. This definitely is comfort food at its best. Oohs and ahs down to the last bite. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.